Something inside us is not sure of what we want to do in our life as far as our careers are concerned. Job hoppings. We are a job hopper. Everybody is changing jobs. Why? No idea. Too many job hoppings, not good. Now the real problem, always ask yourself, what is it that you want your CV to tell about you? Be a master of one, but today's world volatile, changing every day. कुछ नई टेक्नोलॉजी आती है और आपका सब सीखा हुआ वेस्ट चला जाता है. So become a master of one, but remember, if you want to survive in this world, upskilling is the answer. You have to be jack of all. Let's talk about how we're trying to kill our career on our own. Imagine going to an office one day, the first job. Try and remember the first day that you went at work and you were so happy, wanting to do so much in life, trying to achieve success. You slogged for it, you studied for it, MBAs, which is, something that everybody wants to do now. Did your MBA, entered into it, and then 3 months down the line, 4 months down the line, something starts up. And then you feel a burnout. You just don't want to go to that job. Why? Why does it happen? Let's talk about why something inside us is not sure of what we want to do in our life as far as our careers are concerned. I'll tell you 3 things that is killing your career very badly and only you can fix it. So the first one, very common, not only Gen Zs, we've done it, job hoppings. We are a job hopper. Everybody is changing jobs. Why? No idea. Maybe the boss is not good, the culture is not right. Too much toxicity is the word. I still don't know what toxicity means, but that's what is going on. Everybody wants to change their jobs, and the one word that comes to their mind is that the culture is very toxic. And પછી લોકો job છોડી દે છે. People just leave their jobs and just go away. But don't you think it is something that we really don't know? शायद हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हम वो जॉब क्यों चेंज करते हैं. बस मजा नहीं आ रहा है, बॉस अच्छा नहीं है, कॉम्पनसेशन लो है, कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. Now ask yourself, what is the real problem? Remember those old days? Did we change our schools so often? No, never. Even in one school, we didn't like the school. The teachers were not great. One subject teacher was very good. So my science teacher was nice. My maths teacher was pathetic. मेरी सोशल स्टडीज की टीचर खड़ूस थी. फिर भी मैंने कभी जॉब चेंज नहीं किया या स्कूल चेंज नहीं किया. सॉरी, जॉब नहीं, स्कूल चेंज नहीं किया मैंने. So why? So we don't change jobs very often. Every job has its own struggle, and it will. Remember, you're not supposed to stick to things at least for 3 years. When it comes to advice, I tell people, एक job में 3 साल निकाल लो. You need that much of time to understand what is the reality of that industry. So stick to it. Too many job hoppings, not good. Now the real problem, always ask yourself, what is it that you want your CV to tell about you? Stick to one place? Okay, too much of gyan? Let's talk about the research. So Harvard Business Review says that managers only promote people who have stick to one job for at least more than 2 years. ठीक है, HBR समझ में नहीं आ रहा, LinkedIn की बात करते हैं. हम सबका famous LinkedIn, where we every day want to post new jobs, new status and everything, what is going on in our career. So LinkedIn says that if a headhunter is going through your CV, he would never be impressed if you have not stayed for at least 2 jobs in the period of 5 years. So the first hack is, please don't change jobs. Nobody knows why. The second reason, the most important, sticking to one skill. वो quote याद है? Jack of all, master of none. क्या था? Master of none, Jack of all. I forgot. Okay, ठीक है. Be a master of one. But today's world volatile, changing every day. कुछ नई टेक्नोलॉजी आती है और आपका सब सीखा हुआ वेस्ट चला जाता है. So become a master of one, but remember, if you want to survive in this world, upskilling is the answer. You have to be jack of all. You have to know everything. So sticking to one skill is not the answer. Change sometimes? No. Change every day. So become so agile कि आपको पता ही होना चाहिए कि मुझे हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना है. I advise people that okay, अगर आप हर दिन नहीं सीख सकते हो, how is it that I'm upgrading myself? Do something very simple. 1 year, 1 project. So take 1 degree or 1 course or 1 academics every year or 1 certification. It is more than enough. But you're trying to understand and learn new things. Now the next step, what is it that I learned? So I never know, मुझे सीखना है, मुझे upgrade करना है, पर मैं क्या upgrade करूँगा? So what I upgrade is, try and ask what your industry is going to value next. Understand and run for it. The third and the most important mistake that we do, it is important, and that is avoiding feedback. We just want to stay in our comfort zone. मुझे नहीं सुनना कि मैं क्या खराब करती हूँ. Always ask your bosses, go to people around you, ask them what is it that I can do to improve my performance. We all have strengths and we all have improvement areas. Please go and ask your bosses, your colleagues, what is the best thing that you can do or what are the improvement areas that you can work upon. Tip: decide every month what you're going to work upon. We all have weaknesses. Find that one weakness and work on it. Make that your strength. These are 3 things that will always help you in making sure that you're not ruining your career.